Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Welcome you all. My name is Girish. So today we have the Geeta Antakshari program, and this will be organized under the auspices of ISKCON Bangalore and Sandipani Gurukula. So welcome you all. I see a lot of young talents who are showing a lot of interest in being part of this program. Today is a very auspicious day since, we are using this opportunity to chant the holy names, the holy shlokas of the Lord. So ISKCON Bangalore has been organizing these programs for the past 3 decades. Be it the college programs or the school kids programs, we have been organizing it for the past 3 decades very successfully with a lot of students and youngsters attending the program. So ISKCON Bangalore is an organization which is there for the human society. And it gives the human society an opportunity for a life of happiness, good health, peace of mind, and all good qualities through God consciousness. So basically, since we are all chanting the Bhagavatam, the Vishnu Sahasranama, the Bhagavad Gita, so basically the crux, the message of all these holy scriptures is what is exactly the mission of human life. So the mission of human life is to end the miseries of material existence and attain a blissful life. So whatever we are doing now in terms of chanting the shlokas is for us to improve our lives in terms of spiritually or be it materially. It helps us a long, long way. So we are all doing a great job. And Sandipani Ashram, which is basically a brainchild of Srimati Rohini Madam, who has started this endeavor for a good number of years. So Sandipani Gurukula is a center for spiritual learning founded by Srimati Rohini Chakravarti Madam in the year 2002. And it is an organization engaged in personality development and character building. So both of which play a very important role towards building a responsible society. So we appreciate the great endeavor by Srimati Rohini Chakravarti Madam in organizing this Sandipani Gurukula, wherein children and adults coming from various cross sections of society converts to learn Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Sahasranama, Aditya Hridayam, Durga Saptashti, Lalita Sahasranama, Subhashitas, moral stories, which generally we don't get to find in our normal curriculum in our schools. So Madam is doing a great job. We appreciate that. ISKCON alongside ISKCON Bangalore for 3 decades have been doing the same, wherein thousands and close to lakhs of students have benefited from attending the programs. So we look forward for a great association with Sandipani Gurukula in the coming days. Now to start off with, I request Shri Kiran to start off with the prayers today.
Hare Krishna. Ya Kundendu Tusharahara Dhavala Ya Shubhravastranvita Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara Ya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahmachyuta Shankara Prabhritibhi Devai Sada Pujita Samam Patu Samam Patu Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha Sarrasi Ruhasana Priye Sarrasi Ruhasana Priye Amba Sarrasi सरसीरुहा सन प्रिये अम्ब सरसीरुहा सन प्रिये अम्ब सरसीरुहा सन प्रिये अम्ब सदा वीणागान प्रिये सदानंद हृदये मणिवलये सरसीरुहासन प्रिये शरणागतम् अम्ब शरणागतम् मामव मण्डुलचरणकिसलये शरणागतम् मामव मण्डुलचरणकिसलये मोदित कविजन हृदये सरोजनिलये मणिवलये सरसीरुहासन प्रिये अम्ब सदा वीणागान प्रिये सदानंद हृदये मणिवलये सरसीरुहासन प्रिये सरसीरुहा क्षीयुगळे अम्ब सरसीरुहा क्षीयुगळे अम्ब शरणागत दीनवदले अम्ब शरदिन्दु सुन्दर वदने विमले शरदिन्दु सुन्दर वदने विमले सरस्वती सती देशिकनुत गुणजाले सरस्वती सती देशिकनुत गुणजाले सततं विद्यालोले सदा सुशीले सामज कुम्भस्तनयुगले धवले सकल साम्राज्य प्रदकर घृत पुस्तक जये सरसीरुहासन प्रिये अम्ब सदा वीणागान प्रिये सदानंद हृदये मणिवलये सरसीरुहासन प्रिये Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Kiran. That was a wonderful singing. Now we have Sri Madhu Pandit Prabhu, the president of ISKCON Bangalore, who will say a few words.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. As part of celebration of Gita Jayanti this year 2020, ISKCON Bangalore is organizing the online chanting Akhanda Gita Parayana, Lord Krishna's nectarian words in the Bhagavad Gita, is a boon to humanity, irrespective of nationality, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, applicable to everyone. The universal message of Krishna can bring peace, prosperity and happiness to the modern society. Krishna's message of love, Krishna's message of surrender is something that is universal. This secret of Bhagavad Gita has to be spread all over the world. As part of this, so many of you have joined this Akhanda Gita Parayana as lovers of Bhagavad Gita, as lovers of Krishna. Best wishes and prayers to one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhu. Next, I request Srimati Shantala Madam to take it forward from here.
Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Today, we the students of Sandipani Gurukula, which is situated at Swimming Pool Extension, 8th Cross, Malleshwaram, Bangalore, would like to present Antyakshari with Bhagavad Gita shlokas. What is Antyakshari? None of us are new to this. We all know that this is a game that is played with, the end of one akshara. And then we start that with the beginning of that akshara. So this is a game commonly played with all songs. So now just imagine if the same is played with Bhagavad Gita shlokas. Shlokas of not just 1 or 2 chapters, but across all 18 chapters, 700 verses. Children of Sandipani Gurukula, who are aged between 3 and 15 years under the guidance of Mrs. Rohini Chakravarti, are able to do this. And this is literally just a child's play for them. Not only can they chant from the ending akshara of a shloka, if an arambha akshara is given to them, they are able to chant the verse beginning from that akshara as well. And the best part is if we try giving them an akshara from which there are no shlokas in Bhagavad Gita, these children are unperturbed. Very confidently they can tell us that there are no verses beginning with that akshara at all. Not only in these kids are adept in chanting verses, even if a word or a line from the middle of any verse is given. Even if a chapter number and a verse number is given, they are able to chant the verse. If someone chants a verse, then they will be able to tell us the chapter number and the verse number of that particular verse. Personally, when we witnessed this for the first time, it was really mind-boggling. Many of us adults were frantically turning the pages of our Bhagavad Gita books, trying to find the verses where these young children had already finished chanting these verses. Today, we thank ISKCON Bangalore for giving us, the students of Rohini Madam, a chance to offer this Antyakshari by the children of our Gurukula as an offering at the lotus feet of the Lord. Let us sit back and enjoy the different rounds of Antyakshari that these children are going to present to us. We request Manasa Madam to start the first of many rounds of Antyakshari by chanting any verse of Gita. Over to you, Manasa Madam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Anashrita karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha nanir agnir na chakriyaha. Chakriyaha, letter ya. Vritti.
यदा चरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Vartate ta, letter ta, lasya.
तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ते ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः.
Darshinaha na. Srinandan.
जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Sharire, ra, letter ra. Satvik.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं नृषु.
Nrushu, sha. Raksha.
श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिं अचिरेणाधिगच्छति
गच्छति ता अच्युत
तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्
या अनिका
यदा विनियतं चित्तम् आत्मन्येवावतिष्ठते निःस्पृहः सर्वकामेभ्यः युक्त इत्युच्यते तदा
द मेधा
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति
मुह्यति त प्रगति
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
लेटसा नीरज
सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः
प्रियः या श्रीकिरण
यद्यद्विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंशसम्भवम्
वा श्रुति
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्
मे मृतं त प्रणव
तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानित भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत
भारत श्रिया
त्वमक्षरं परमं वेदितव्यं त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानं त्वमव्ययः शाश्वतधर्मगोप्ता सनातनस्त्वं पुरुषो मतो मे
मा यस रुजुला
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव
वा अनुराग
वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि
स हंसिका
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च
श्रीकला
चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवदृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम्.
Thank you. Here we end the first round. Let's begin round 2. Here, part of the shloka will be given to you. You need to recognize the beginning and chant the full verse. May I request Lata ma'am to give the shlokas to the children.
Hare Krishna. Sughoshmani pushpakau.
Medha.
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
श्रीकिरण
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वैरुपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे
अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः
सर्वः प्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः
Yes, Shriya.
न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः
निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा
Achyutanavya.
मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः
विवस्वान्मनराः
Shruti.
इमं विवस्वते योगं प्रोक्तवान् अहमव्ययं विवस्वान् मनवे प्राह मनुरिक्ष्वाकवे ब्रवीत्
तस्य कर्तारमपि माम्
Pragati.
चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्य कर्तारमव्ययम्
पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन्
Yes, Lasya.
नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन्
Continue, complete the another verse also.
गृह्णन् उन्विषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणि इन्द्रियार्थेषु
वर्तन्त इति धारयन्. Okay. पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा
Medha.
ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा
शूनि चैव श्वपाके च
Pranav.
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिनः
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम्
Shri Kiran.
भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसा सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति
मद्भक्तः सङ्गवर्जितः.
Yes, Satvik.
मत्कर्म कृन्मत्परमः मद्भक्तः सङ्गवर्जितः निर्वैरः सर्वभूतेषु यः स मामेति पाण्डव
तथा मानापमानयोः.
Yes, Dhruti.
जितात्मनः प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः.
One more तथा मानापमानयोः. One more.
Avyakt.
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः.
One last shloka prior to that. Excellent children, continue this journey of Gita learning. Let Krishna's blessings be always there. Hare Krishna. Brahma Sutra Padaishchaiva. Brahma Sutra Padaishchaiva.
Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina.
No, listen. One more line I'll give you. Hetu madbhir vinishchitaihi.
Yes, Shrikiran.
ऋषिभिर् बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. Let's have another round where random letters are given to you children. You are requested to chant the Gita verse that starts with that letter. Can I request Lakshmi ma'am to give some letters to the children? Lasya?
Ananyaschintayanto mam ye janah paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham.
Medha?
Idam tute guhyatamam pravakshyamyana suyave jnanam vijnana sahitam yajnatva mokshase shubhat.
Satvik?
ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया.
Okay, one more verse from E.
Ma'am, there's only one E in the whole Bhagavad Gita.
Very good. Okay. U.
Srinandan?
उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानम् आत्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः.
Avyukt?
आरुरुक्षोर्मुनेर्योगम् कर्म कारणमुच्यते योगारूढस्य तस्यैव शमः कारणमुच्यते.
Raksha?
ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्ताः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जगन्यगुणवृद्धिस्ताः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः.
One more U.
Shriya?
ऊर्ध्वमूलमधः शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित्.
One more U.
Ma'am, there is no one more U in the Bhagavad Gita.
Brilliant children. O.
Satvik?
ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्मा व्याहरन्नामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम्.
One more O.
Avyukt?
ॐ तत्सदिति निर्देशः ब्रह्मणस्त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणास्तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा.
One more O.
And there is no other O in the Bhagavad Gita.
In the Bhagavad Gita.
Brilliant. Okay, the last one.
Dhruti?
अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि.
Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Can I request Rekha ma'am to give some more letters to the children?
Hare Krishna. Very good, children. Yeah, tra.
Lasya.
त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनमात्मनः कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्माद् एतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्.
Excellent. One more tra, children.
Neeraj.
त्रिविधा भवति श्रद्धा देहिनां सा स्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी चेति तां शृणु.
Excellent. One more tra.
Shruti.
त्रैविद्या मां सोमपाः पूतपापाः यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा स्वर्गतिं प्रार्थयन्ते ते पुण्यमासाद्य सुरेन्द्रलोकम् अश्नन्ति दिव्यान् दिवि देव भोगान्.
Excellent. Ksha.
Medha.
भवति धर्मात्मा शश्वच्छान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति.
Very good. Can you try one more ksha?
Avyukta and Achyut.
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवं अन्तरं ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूत प्रकृति मोक्षं च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्.
Excellent. Very good. One more ksha.
Satvik.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
Brilliant. Jna.
Shriya.
ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्.
Okay. Very good. P.
It's PIP. Yes, Satvik.
पिताहमश्च जगतः माता धाता पितामहः वेद्यं पवित्रम् ओंकारः रक्षामयजुरेव च.
Very good. Ki. Ki.
Medha.
किं तद् ब्रह्म किम् अध्यात्मं किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं अधिदैवं किम् उच्यते.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Kai. Kai.
Srinandan and Sri Kiran, both of them raised their hand.
कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् स्त्रीन् गुणानतिवर्तते.
Okay. Lastly, kr. Ka ottili kr. Yeah.
Yeah. Krishi Kru. Yes, Anurag.
कृषि गौरक्ष्य वाणिज्यं वैश्यकर्म स्वभावजं परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजं.
Thank you, Rekha ma'am. Let's have another round. Can I request Vrinda ma'am to provide words from the Gita? Children will be able to recognize the full verse.
Hare Krishna. The first word will be Guru.
Shri.
गुरून् हदवाहि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्.
Dharma.
Pragati.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्.
Sankhya.
Lasya.
सांख्ययोगो पृथक् बालाः सांख्ययोगो पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम्.
Karma.
Okay, so many hands. Anika.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि.
Vrudha ma'am, you're muted.
Jnana.
Yes, Medha.
ज्ञानं तेहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्य शेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते.
Dhyana.
Pragati.
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्.
Okay, the next one. Sannyasa.
Satvik.
संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वम् इच्छामि वेदितुं त्यागस्य च ऋषिकेश पृथक् केशिनिषूदन.
Very nice. Vidya.
Lasya.
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे कविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः.
Okay. Next word. Veda.
Achyut and Avyut.
वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं ययेनमजमव्ययं कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकम्.
Okay. Bhakti.
Pranav.
तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
Prakriti.
Satvik.
सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकां कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्.
Very good. One last one. Sharanam.
Pragati.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
Thank you, Vrunda ma'am. In this round, the next round, our Acharya Mrs. Rohini Chakravarti is requested to give the essence of shlokas. Children are requested to chant the shloka.
Hare Krishna. So now we will begin. I'll give the essence of the shloka. I will just ask. I'll give the essence, I'll give the meaning, and then you will have to tell which shloka it is, and maybe I will ask you from which chapter it is, which verse. Let's see how much we can. And then there is a prize for this round. Give a shloka which talks about the conscience of Krishna and Arjuna.
Shriya.
पाञ्चजन्यं ऋषिकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जय पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः.
Very good. What is the name of Krishna's conch? Shriya?
Ma'am, Avyut is raising his hand.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Panchajanya.
Very good. Arjuna's conch?
Devadatta.
Thank you. Okay. Which is the shloka where Arjuna tells Krishna, I am your student and I have surrendered to you.
Yes, Medha.
कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्य निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Okay, this is from which chapter? Karpanya dosho is from which chapter?
Second chapter.
Huh?
Second chapter.
Very good. Second chapter. Do you know which number?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Who knows the number of the shloka? Second chapter.
Lasya is raising.
Lasya? Okay.
2.7, ma'am.
2.7. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now give a shloka on Krodha from the second chapter, from the Sthita Prajna Lakshana.
Here's Hansika.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
Is there any verse in the Gita which talks about the tortoise?
Satvik.
यदा संहरते चायं कूर्मोऽङ्गानीव सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता.
Excellent. Is there any verse which talks about the ocean, Samudra?
Achyut and Avyut.
अपूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठम् समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी.
Is there any shloka which says you are your own friend and you are your own enemy?
Medha.
उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव शात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः.
There is one more shloka which talks about bandhu and
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवतः.
Okay, these two verses are from which chapter?
6th chapter, 6.5 and 6.5 and 6, ma'am.
Okay, 6.5 and 6.6. Excellent. Okay, very good. Krishna talks about sattvic food. Which shloka he talks about sattvic food?
Anurag?
आयुस्सत्त्वबलारोग्य सुखप्रीति विवर्धनाः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृद्याः आहारा सात्विक प्रियाः.
Excellent. How should Krishna talks about austerity of speech, discipline of speech? How should you talk?
Shrikiran?
अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते.
Okay, which chapter does Krishna talk about this?
Ma'am, in the 12th chapter.
No, Shri Kiran.
17.15. 13th chapter.
Which one? One of you.
17.15.
17.15. Okay. 17th chapter. What is the name of the chapter? 17th chapter.
Saddhatraya Vibhaga Yoga.
Okay. Love all, hate none, forgive everybody, be kind.
Pragati.
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखः सुखः क्षमी.
Okay. Which chapter is this from?
12th chapter.
Name of the chapter?
Bhakti Yoga.
Bhakti Yoga. Okay. Krishna talks about moderation in eating, sleeping, activity.
Anika and Akshara.
युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः.
Krishna says, I manifest yuga after yuga to protect the good and destroy the evil.
Pragati.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Very good. Krishna talks about qualities of a competent student.
Lasya.
तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः.
Which chapter is this, Lasya?
Fourth, ma'am.
Fourth. What is the name of the chapter?
Pragati.
Jnana Karma Yoga.
Okay. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Okay. What is the number of the shloka? Tadvidhi pranipaten.
Last year.
4.34.
4.34. Okay. Which is the shloka which we chant just before eating?
Shriya.
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना.
One more verse before eating for digestion.
अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः पानापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम्.
Very good. Is there any verse on focus, concentration?
Nita.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः एकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Krishna says, be balanced.
Shriya.
सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि.
One more shloka where Krishna says, be balanced.
Satvik.
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां तितिक्षस्व भारत.
Very good. Can somebody tell the shloka on divine qualities? Daivi Sampat.
Achyut and Avyu.
Abhayam sattva samshuddhihi jnana yoga vyavastitihi danam damascha yajnascha swadhyayastapa arjavam ahimsa satyam akrodah tyaga shantirapaishunam daya bhuteshvaro lupvam marthavam hriracha phalam तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नादिमानिताः भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत.
Very good. Excellent. How many qualities are there?
26, ma'am.
Medha.
26. Okay. What is the name of this chapter which talks about Daivi Sampat?
Daivasura Sampat Vibhagayu.
Yeah. Right. Can somebody tell the demonic qualities? Asuri Sampat. Shloka.
दम्भो दर्पो अभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थसम्पदमासुरीम्.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. One last shloka. Okay. Krishna says wherever, Sanjaya says, not Krishna, he's wherever there is this Yogeshwara Krishna and yeah, Medha, I have not told the question itself. Yeah. Wherever there is Yogeshwara Krishna and that practicing Arjuna, there is Shri, Vijaya, glory and justice.
Yes, Pragati.
यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीविजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानीतर्मतर्मम श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
One more last question. You're all ready to take? One more?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a shloka which talks about all of us following the footsteps of great people.
Okay, Shri Kiran.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. Now can I request Ms. Ranjini to give the vote of thanks?
Hare Krishna, on behalf of Srimati Rohini Chakravarti and the entire Sandipani Gurukula team, I thank ISKCON Bangalore for this wonderful opportunity to be part of the auspicious celebrations of Gita Jayanti. We're indeed fortunate and blessed that we have this opportunity to offer our learning of the Bhagavad Gita at the lotus feet of the Jagadguru, Lord Krishna, on this auspicious day of Gita Jayanti. Catch them young has been the motto of Sandipani Gurukula, situated in Malleshwaram, Bangalore, since its inception in 2002. Coupled with this, Srimati Rohini Chakravarti's unique style of teaching young children has resulted in hundreds of young children learning the Gita and continuing to be lifelong students of the Gurukula. In this program, the concepts that we have presented of playing the Antyakshari with the shlokas of the Bhagavad Gita and reciting the words given the starting letter, a word, second line, or the essence are some of the ways that Srimati Rohini Chakravarti uses to make learning the Bhagavad Gita simple and fun. This also ensures that the children have a strong grasp on the length and breadth of the Bhagavad Gita. The children who participated in today's program, Bhagavad Gita, Srimati Rohini Chakravarti at a very young age. Srimati Rohini Chakravarti,
I didn't catch that. Could you try?
Is a passionate and dedicated teacher, and the children are equally dedicated and committed in practicing the Bhagavad Gita for many, many years. This has resulted in them being proficient in most of the Bhagavad Gita. This is evident in how they effortlessly navigated to the different chapters of the Bhagavad Gita in today's program. We hope that today's program inspires many, many more children to take up learning of the Bhagavad Gita. Praying to the Jagadguru Lord Krishna that he blesses these children to continue learning the Gita and practicing it in their daily lives, and praying that the entire society takes up learning this divine song of Lord Krishna. I conclude this vote of thanks.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much for this wonderful session. I have special thanks to the young kids, amazing talent, and it's been a very different way of hearing the Bhagavad Gita in the mode of Antakshari. We thank the initiative of Rohini Chakravarti Madam of Sandipani Gurukula, who has taken this wonderful initiative of imbibing great values and spiritual knowledge in young minds at such a young age. The kids have all been wonderful. A big round of thanks to the young kids who have done a wonderful job. I also thank the temple volunteers who have department. I also thank Madhu Pandit Prabhu for this great opportunity in this noble collaboration of chanting the holy names of the Lord.